Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Ever since I shaved my hair off, I have absolutely no idea how I should wear it because it's a different length every single month. So once I know a fun hairstyle to do with my hair gets longer and I can't do that hairstyle anymore. So basically I've been wearing beanies, hats and wigs for the last year and a half and I'm just sick and tired of it, okay? I just want to know how I can do my own hair and it looking cute. So today I'm going to try out a few hairstyles that I found on the interwebs and I'm going to see if I can make them work for me. Let's just get started on the first hairstyle. Okay, first of all, let's show you all what I am working with. This is my hair! Yay! Look, my hair just really has a thing against gravity for some reason. Like, I don't know what gravity ever did to her, but she just doesn't like her, okay? So that's always very difficult to deal with because I like my hair to be flat. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to do is something that I've seen a lot of people do recently, and it's basically just covering your entire hair in bobby pins. It looks cute and I'm confident that it's gonna let my hair stay down for once. So I got a bunch of bobby pins over here. I used to have like a whole package of bobby pins, but they just always like run away for some reason. So I hope I still have enough. But let's just get some bobby pins and put them in my hair and see what's gonna look like. Okay. Also, I got my nails done yesterday, which is going to make this like 1,000 times more difficult because I don't know how to function with these things on my fingernails, okay? I mean, I only get them because they look cute, but they don't have any function at all. So let's just see what's gonna happen today. First bobby pin. And I'm going to put it right there. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
I'm just going to put them all over and then... Oh, I'm already doing it. I'm literally already doing it wrong. Like, how do I not know how to put bobby pins in my hair? What the hell? This should be like one of the easiest hairstyles that I'm going to do today. Oh god, this little piece already annoys me so much. Oh my god, this doesn't want to stay. Why is everything always so difficult to me? Like, this shouldn't be hard at all. Like, I should know how to put a bobby pin in my hair, but for some reason I just don't. Does this look good? I really don't think it does. I'm just going to add some random ones to make it look a little bit more messy. Because that looks cute, I think. Is this cute? Oh my god, like this piece just wants to lay on top of it. Which is something that I don't want it to do. I don't know, this is not good. This is not good. Wait, what if I just put it into like a low ponytail? Ta-da! Ooh, 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 ooh. First hairstyle! I do kind of like it, I think. I mean, it definitely looks a lot better on all the beautiful girls I saw on Pinterest, but that's just kind of like the story of my life, so I guess I just have to, you know, learn to live with that. But yeah, overall, I think it actually looks pretty cool. I don't think it's like an everyday wear look, but also, maybe it is. I don't know what you do every day. Yay! First one is a success! Let's hope the rest is going to be a success as well, but probably not. But keep on watching to find out. Okay, on to the next hairstyle, and this one is going to be a little bit more difficult, and by a little bit I mean a whole lot more difficult. It is this hairstyle right here, and I just think that this looks absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of how I used to do my hair in the zeros with the clippy things, you know, and I just think it looks incredibly cute. So I'm going to try it as well. But I'm not going to do very intricate designs because I'm just not able to do that. First section, I guess. Ow. Oh god. I really should have filmed this video before I did my nails. Ta-da! This is already going so wrong. This is so wrong already. Okay, let me just finish the front row and then I'll be right back. Oh my god. I look like a praying mantis that's like in attack mode or something. I mean, this looks ridiculous. But yeah, let's continue on the second row and see if we can make something out of it. Oh my god. I'm going to grab this hair and add it to this little box, I guess. Okay. Oh my god, this is looking so messy. So messy. Aw, Pablo is coming to say hello. Oh, hey baby. Hey, look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Whenever he wakes up from his nap, he always comes over to me to cuddle. Look how cute. Look how cute. Oh shit. Oh shit! I got 2 rows done right now, and honestly I think that 3 rows is gonna look better. However, I really don't feel like making 3 rows because this is just, it takes a long time to do, and as you can see I'm also very messy and bad at it right now. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to pull it up into a bun. Okay, then I'm just going to add my fake ponytail because honestly this little bun is just too small, okay? It looks kind of ridiculous. So I'm just going to add my ponytail. Ooh. Okay, so I spent like 20 minutes trying to make a bun out of this ponytail, but for some reason I'm just unable to do it. So I'm just gonna keep it as a ponytail. And yeah, second hairstyle is done. I actually really like this hairstyle. I think it's super cool. However, the thing that I like most about this hairstyle is like all the patterns that the girl had in their hair. Like the hair was like crossing and stuff like that. And I just made like simple lines like this, which still, it looks cool. But you know, the next time I'm going to do it, I'm definitely going to just cross the hair over and try to make like a cute design, you know, like this is just cute. The only thing is that you do need to be patient while doing this hairstyle, and I have 0 patience, so yeah. Maybe it's not the best hairstyle for me, but I still like it, so okay, next one. So on to the next hairstyle that I found, and this one is so cute. I saw this on Instagram, and it is this picture. And as you can see, first of all, she looks amazing. It looks beautiful. Everything in this picture is amazing. And second of all, the reason why I chose this hairstyle is because it's just very easy. Because I can cover the majority of my hair in a scarf and only like curl the front sections of my hair, and hopefully it's gonna look as cute as it does on her. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. And then get some hairs out there that we are gonna curl. Okay. Beautiful. First one over. No. Ah! I burned my ear. Ow, that really hurts. Ow! Why did I do that? I should probably quit, but I really don't feel like standing up, so I'm just going to continue to curl my hair. Okay, let's take the curls out and see if it looks cute on me. Oh, look, I don't know if I like it or not. I mean, I really want to like it, but it just looks kind of weird to me. I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to having curls, or maybe it just doesn't look good on me. I don't know. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Like, does it actually look bad on me? Or do I just need to get used to it? I don't know. Anyways, let's go on to the very last hairstyle that I'm going to try today. The last hairstyle that I'm going to do is one of my favorite hairstyles on this planet. And it's kind of like, look, I really love finger waves, okay? I think finger waves are absolutely beautiful. But it's really difficult, okay? It's really hard to do, and I'm just generally not good at doing things. So, the hairstyle that I'm going to do today kind of looks like finger waves, but it's just like the easier version. And it is this beautiful hairstyle. Yeah, let me just wet my hair a little bit and get started on this hairstyle. And hopefully I'll be able to do it. I'm gonna use this hair foam because I really like this stuff. So let me just put it in my hair. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Okay. Like this. Also, I don't want it to be like perfect. I just want it to have like the general shape, you know. Oh, that actually looks good. But it doesn't want to stay down. Shit. This is so difficult. It's behind my ear. Oh. Oh my god. I actually did it. Oh shit. I mean, this side is not the best. Oops. And I should probably stop touching it because I only make it worse. But this side though, oh my god, look at the wave. Oh my god. I mean, I do feel like this hairstyle would look better if you have even shorter hair. So let me just like pretend like I have shorter hair. Like this. Oh, that's so pretty. This makes me want to cut my hair off again. Oh, I already know that a lot of you don't actually like this hairstyle, but I really do. I think it's beautiful. Is this a hairstyle that I will do daily? Hell no. Hell no. I don't want to be putting like so much stuff in my hair every single day. That just makes me feel miserable. So I would not wear this every single day, but I will wear this to like a party or to an event or something like that because it does look hella cute. Okay, so yeah, I've done 4 hairstyles today, and one of them was kind of a I'm still not really sure about it, but the other 3 were actually a success. There were no failures today, which is strange. Like, is this what 2020 is going to be? Like a year without failures for me? Probably not, but I'm still enjoying this moment right now. So yeah, everybody, this was today's video. I should make more of these videos because honestly, I'm actually learning a lot. Like, I had no idea that I was able to pull this off. So, chapeau, chapeau. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and also on my TikTok nowadays. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye, bye, bye. Bye.